A lot of people is confused कि fundamental analysis is the most essential thing for investing. So why don't day traders use fundamental analysis? क्यों डे ट्रेडिंग में फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस काम नहीं लगता? तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे. What's up everyone? My name is Argadiploth and welcome to another finance video. In this channel we discuss everything about trading from stocks to investing to futures to option to crypto. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on the amazing trading related content we publish every week. So before starting, let me say, a lot of people ask कि भाई तू डे ट्रेडिंग करता है, तू फंडामेंटल देखता है ना, अगर नहीं देखता तो क्यों नहीं देखता? A lot of people has asked me. लोग हमेशा ये सुनते आते हैं ना, when we deal with the stock market, we need to know the company's balance sheet, P/E ratio, how much loss, how much profit, profit before tax, etc. etc. But when I knew the reason why day traders don't use fundamental analysis, it all made sense. And the reason is just one word. The answer is just one word: time. See. What does fundamental means? Fundamental means the amount of money the company is going to make this quarter or throughout the whole year. The tax, the debt, by how much they are going to increase or decrease in this quarter and throughout the whole year. How much FII are buying in position in this quarter or throughout the whole year. What's going on with the promoters? Are they selling their stake or are they increasing their stake in this company? So how much profit are they going to make this quarter or throughout the year? That's all fundamental, right? That is what fundamental analysis is. What is the P ratio of the stock and what is the P ratio in comparison to its other peers in this sector? What's the ROCE, etc. etc. देखिए, डे ट्रेडिंग का मतलब क्या है? डे ट्रेडिंग का मतलब है, डे ट्रेडिंग means you will buy after 9:15 AM and sell before 3:30 PM. I'm talking about Indian markets. For overall, day trading means you will buy after the market opens and you will sell before the market closes the same day. So you have roughly 6 hours, not even one day. One day, 24 hours, and market opens for roughly 6 to 6.5 hours, 6 to 6.5 hours. So let's say you have 6 hours in hand. So what do you think will happen in 6 hours to a company like Tata or Reliance for most of the day? Any company which is listed in the stock market generates revenue over crores every year. So every company is a big company, right? Small cap, mid cap, large cap, those are technical terms. What's the market capitalization and all that. But in general, from a general perspective, a company has to be big enough so that they get listed in the stock market. मैं जो बोलने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? So what do you think can happen to such a big company in just 6 hours? Think about it. Nothing. 99.99% of the time, nothing can happen. When fundamental analysis matters in day trading, suppose a company is going to publish its quarterly earning results within the market hour of that day. On that day, that particular stock you need to keep an eye on. But that only happens 3 or 4 times a year. And also nowadays, companies don't show their quarterly reports during market hours. They show after the market is closed. So आप डे ट्रेड कर रहे हो, आप हमेशा हर रोज डे ट्रेड करते हो, तो कंपनी का फंडामेंटल से आपको क्या आता जाता है? क्या हर रोज प्रोमोटर बेच देगा स्टेक? हर रोज टाटा सन्स ग्रुप का जो प्रोमोटर होल्डिंग है वो हर रोज बेच रहा है? ऐसा तो नहीं होता. ठीक से सोचिए, क्या वो हर रोज उसका डेट थोड़ा करके रिपे करेगा, डेट घटेगा? नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं होता. डे ट्रेडिंग में फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस बिल्कुल काम नहीं करता, बिकॉज फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस को अल्टर करने के लिए यू नीड टू हैव फंडामेंटल चेंज एंड फंडामेंटल चेंज डज नॉट हैपन विद इन 6 hours. Fundamental changes take a lot of time. So as a day trader, fundamental analysis should not be your concern. Don't waste time analyzing the company's fundamental. But if you are an investor, you should absolutely have a good fundamental knowledge and have a good fundamental analysis of the stock you are going to invest, because you will hold it for at least 6 months, 1 year. So just imagine how many quarterly reports you are going to get in that time period. So if you don't know the stock you are investing fundamentally, if you don't do a thorough fundamental analysis, you don't know the next quarter whether there is a high chance for the next quarter to be negative or to be positive. So if it's negative, that's a bad investment. If it's positive, that's a good investment. You need to know fundamental analysis if you are an investor, but you don't need to know fundamental analysis if you are a trader. So if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.